Hello and welcome back. I hope you saw the last video, which was making some bar clamps, and they are just fantastic. So today what we're going to do is just a bit of a quick build, and I've got a few tools. I've got like a smaller vise and a like bench grinder, you know, for sharpening either chisels or whatever. TIG. At the minute it's TIG electrodes, like I'm going through them. But they're tools that I don't necessarily want out all the time, or are in the way, or I haven't got another place to put them. So this is going to be like a universal mounting plate that will screw to, oh, you can't see it, but screw to the edge of the proper workbench, and then we can just change the tools on and off as required if we need them, or once we're done we just take the plate off, this secondary plate off, and then it's out of the way. We can just stow it under the bench. So that's what we're going to do today. How I see it sort of going down is, I've already cut these to length, centre punch them now, put a hole in them, relatively same area, line them nice and square up with this plate, weld them on, then cut these two struts to support it, so it will be like a like a weird triangle sort of brace, cross member, trestle, I don't know, going in. So let's do that. Nice. So what I'm going to do is drill them out to 10.5mm, because I want to put an M10 threaded rod through there, and they'll get secured to the bench at some point. Okay, we're just going to start off with a 3mm drill to get us in the right location. Part number A done. And number B. Tight. Oh my word. If you like this little brass hammer, I'll stick a link, a card up, so you can go and have a look at that. Right, so that's going to be the back. So I've just come in from the edges, just if I need to get a clamp, or I don't know, like looking, you know, sort of future proofing for want of a better term, then I can just chuck something under there, maybe not mole grips or something like that. Right, we'll concentrate on this little puppy first. Two secs. So that's the first leg glued, welded on. Oh, and she's toasted. A little bit of spatter. One trick I found with welding as well is to knock your camera around. Is if you want like really nice welds, is pay for someone to do it if you're just an amateur. And now we cut. So it'll have like, I don't know, a 15-20 mil stub hanging out, and that just means when you're trying to get it into position, it'll just be a bit easier rather than having to get it up there, put the nut and bolt through one side, you know, sort of, that's a free-handed job. So just put that through, you know, they'll locate onto the holes that I've drilled into the workbench, and just chuck a nut on, and then yeah, I think it'll be a bit easier. So that's what I'm going to do. Cool, so we're in the final stages now. Just going to wire wheel this off, and yeah, we'll be pretty much there. I'm not going to worry about the holes too much because they are purely cosmetic. It is an adapter plate for stuff that I don't necessarily want to drill holes in my workbench for. So let's get to it. That just leaves the inevitable to be said. You know, if you've watched it this far, thanks very much. It really does mean a lot. I ain't got a lot of subscribers, but the ones I have got I cherish. I really would appreciate it if you put some comments down below. It just helps everything go, and maybe give it a thumbs up as well. I've got no idea what the next project is. I think I'm going to have a stab at doing this ornamental twisted rose thing that I've been banging on about. So yeah, that'll be quite good. What else? Yeah, leave some comments, hook me up with some questions if you've got it. If you were going to make it, how would you make it? And if you know, if you've got any like killer obvious things that I've just missed that would make it infinitely more usable, then let me know. Right, latest potatoes, cheers.